Hey guys, back to another video. We are playing VR in Roblox. It's probably gonna be less fun than. It's probably not gonna be fun because I don't have a VR headset. Oh, what is that? I don't have a VR headset that goes for Roblox, so I'm probably just gonna get bullied. Saying just boy. Take me, Lord and Savior. Oh God. Oh God. Um, People play with me, but not in that kind of way. It's not gonna be fun if nobody plays with me. Ayo. How do I get up here? Oh my god. So what is there even to do here? I guess we can try to do this. Oh shoot. Wasn't ready for that. Oh, they're getting drunk over there. Grab me! Grab me. Yeah! Yo, guys, this is Roblox VR, and I don't know what you expected. Just not VR, swing, whatever. Somebody grab me. Crazy. Come here. It's moving. Oh god. Oh, shoot. Oh god, I'm stuck. I want people to bat me around so there's actually content. Because it would just be boring without me, like, since I don't have a headset, it's not gonna be fun. So the only way I can have fun is, people playing with me and throwing me around. Hey, I'm right here. Play with me. Throw me around, please, for content. For content. Someone throw me around for content. SpongeBob. Play with me. Oh my god. Yo. Hey. It's not fun. I don't know why they. Guys, this is VR. You guys can literally just play with us. We're literally ragdolls. Oh, they just smooshed. Oh my god, ship it. Yo, Hey, SpongeBob, I'm right here. Pick me up. You guys are literally VR. You guys have VR. You guys aren't even trying to, like, play with us. Instead of that guy, put me up there. I want to be up there. I want the content. Oh, there's somebody over here. Why am I not interesting? Please, somebody. Oh, he's got me! No, I want to fly. Throw me around. Billie Eilish, or more like Billie Eyelash. Oh my god! I'm flying. That's too fun. I am lice. Wow. Pick me up. I feel like he's under me. I feel like his hand is under me. No. Somebody's saying. Pick me up. I'm in her brain. Oh my god. Wow, you have no brains. Must be really dumb. Oh god. Spit. Ah, don't spit on me. No. Germs. Remember, COVID. The, Rovid. Remember Rovid. You can't. It germs 6 feet apart. It's SpongeBob. Hey, SpongeBob. House misses SpongeBob. Yeah. Yes. We're running his head. Hey, that sounds so wrong in so many ways. Hey, my guy. Why? Why you bullying me like that? Hey, right here. Pick me up. Pick me up, please. Pick me up, please. I want to get picked up, or just fight me. I just need content. What's it take for someone to get content around here? Oh my god! I'm on it. I'm on it. No, I'm not anymore. Swipe me. Why are you mad, bro? Like, how about you mad? Hit us. Hit us. Don't leave me. No, I want to be picked up. I want to be picked up. Oh, you got two different colored hands. Where are they? Your hands. Throw us, please. No, get me. Get me. Yes! No! Don't drop me. I want to get picked up. Yes. That wasn't. That isn't. Yes. This game is actually fun. Only when people actually like throw you around, it's really fun. It just gets bored if nobody does it. So, what is this? Bro, it's like, I don't know what it's called. I guess a barrel that rolls and you have to stand on it. I guess it's kind of like that. What am I going to do? Oh god. It's like a barrel when you when it's rolling. Oh. Take me to the moon. No, me. I'm going to say take me to the sun. Actually, I'm not typing it. Yes. Throw us. Yes. Content. Please do it. Don't feel it. Die. Okay. So guys, I enjoyed that video. Please subscribe, leave a like, and if you guys want more of this, I will do it. I promise you I will do it. So guys, goodbye.